We're a complete mold facility from building the molds, trying out molds, shipping to customers.
When I first made the move to build a mold AP Plasman, I walked into a shop that had a lot of tenure, a lot of years of experience, but the investment in the shop had gone by the wayside. So one of the first things was creating processes and procedures for the guys to follow and kind of really tune in what our processes were. And then we looked at equipment, and we worked on equipment to find that better equipment to produce a better mold. So we started looking into different CNC equipment, and from that point on, we've never looked back. We've been working on a great project, and we continue to work on this great project of new CNC technology, new cutter technologies, new EDM technologies.
So we brought in the new equipment a year ago, and we had to streamline our tooling and our processors, holders. So we called Seco up, and we had Seco come in with their team from Canada and the stateside and help us with setting up processes, tooling, and how to cut timing, saving in certain processes that we were taking several steps before cutting it back. For example, the Yabro tooling that Seco supplies, we went from a 7-hour process to a 3-hour process approximately. Reaming our sucker pins, we were using a different process where my bore and mill team ran with it, set the process up himself with the Seco rep, and has set up a standard to do reaming process on assembly work.
So our percentages, when we first started the project, we laid out some assumptions of what we thought we'd be hitting. Through those assumptions, I mean, our goal was set at 19%. We were going to try and cut 19% out of our mold build. We were successful in cutting 19% out of our mold build, and we've exceeded that. Again, we've never stopped at that point. I mean, we need to keep moving forward and finding those corners that we can shave out of the mold build. And again, we've been successful. We set our goals and we hit those goals, and we keep setting higher standards for ourselves.
So Seco approached us about a year ago, early January, and they said they had vending machines. Supply Pro products represented by Seco, and we said, okay, let's give it a chance. We tried with one. Well, we filled the one cabinet up instantly. And then the second cabinet came in about 6 months later. It has, as for the insert cabinets, the two cabinets there, we at Build A Mold are projecting about a 30% savings because of the way Seco has helped us out, streamline the way this vending machine and process are to work.
Well, I mean, our customers are always demanding timing and cost. They want cost reductions, and they want shorter lead times. Those are our biggest demands right now. And again, trying to stay on top of the game, not stay with the status quo, but be better than that. We've invested money in new CNC equipment and making sure that we have the proper product line to put on that CNC equipment. Seco was one of our biggest investments when we did go into the new equipment. We wanted to make sure we had a stable holder that would hold a great cutter. And from that point, we've been able to increase our production and our quality. It's definitely come forward.
They have to deliver, so if they deliver, bring a tool into test, they have to stand by it, help us with feeds and speeds, tweak it on the machines, and they're here supporting us. They're telling us feeds and speeds, they're telling us what to tweak, cut down the step down, increase the step down, step overs, whatever it may be, they're there helping us. They're behind us, they support us, and we support their product. So it's been a nice partnership, and we haven't looked back.